Hey there, and welcome to today's super exciting video. We're about to dive into the world of YouTube automation and discover what's causing all the buzz. Are you ready to learn how creators are making content and earning money without even stepping in front of the camera? Then smash that subscribe button and let's jump into the hype surrounding YouTube automation. So, what exactly is YouTube automation? It's a fantastic content creation model that uses outsourcing, delegation, and advanced scheduling to manage and grow a YouTube channel like a boss. The channel owner isn't in the videos, but instead manages the entire process from idea to final edit, all with the help of a remote team. With a smooth automation system in place, the channel owner can focus on growing the business and enjoying the rewards. So, what are the key components of YouTube automation? Let's dive into the specifics. Content strategy. Before anything else, a well-defined content strategy is essential. This involves identifying a niche, conducting market research, and understanding the target audience to create videos that resonate with viewers. Outsourcing. The next step is to build a team of freelancers to handle various tasks like script writing, voiceovers, video editing, and graphics. You can find talented individuals on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even within the YouTube community itself. Delegation. Efficient delegation is crucial for smooth operations. Assigning tasks to team members based on their strengths and expertise ensures the highest quality of work and minimizes bottlenecks. Advanced scheduling. To maintain a consistent upload schedule, plan and prepare content well in advance. This allows you to stay ahead of your posting schedule and keep your audience engaged. Process optimization. Continuously refining and improving your processes ensures that your YouTube automation system remains efficient and effective, allowing you to scale up and expand your channel over time. So, you're probably wondering, why is YouTube automation so popular? There are several reasons that make this approach to content creation so appealing. Let's explore them in detail. Behind-the-scenes appeal. YouTube automation allows creators to produce content without being the star of the show. This is perfect for people who prefer to stay behind the scenes or are camera shy but still want to tap into the potential of YouTube as a platform. Juggling multiple businesses. For entrepreneurs who are running multiple businesses, YouTube automation provides an opportunity to add a new revenue stream without taking up too much time and effort. They can delegate tasks and oversee the process while focusing on their other ventures. Streamlined content creation. Automation helps streamline the content creation process by leveraging a remote team to handle various tasks like script writing, voiceovers, and editing. This well-organized approach leads to more efficient and consistent uploads, which is crucial for channel growth. Improved channel growth and ad revenue. With consistent uploads and a dedicated team working on content, YouTube automation can boost channel growth and increase ad revenue. As the channel gains more subscribers and views, it attracts higher-paying ads and sponsorships. Access to a global talent pool. YouTube automation allows creators to work with talented freelancers from around the world. This not only opens up opportunities to find skilled professionals at competitive rates, but also brings diverse perspectives and ideas to the table, which can further enhance the quality and appeal of the content. Scalability. As the channel grows and revenue increases, YouTube automation makes it easy to scale up operations by adding more team members or increasing the volume of content produced. This scalability ensures that the channel can continue to grow and evolve over time. Flexibility and adaptability. Automation allows creators to experiment with different content formats, styles, or niches without being tied down to a specific persona or on-camera presence. This flexibility helps them adapt to changes in audience preferences and keep their content fresh and relevant. YouTube automation has taken the platform by storm, and numerous channels have embraced this content creation model to great success. Let's take a closer look at some standout examples. Automated channel number 1, Top 10 Lists. This channel has built a loyal following by producing fascinating top 10 lists covering a wide range of topics, from travel destinations to the latest tech gadgets. By assembling a talented team of researchers, scriptwriters, voiceover artists, and editors, They've managed to consistently deliver high-quality content that keeps their audience engaged and coming back for more. Their success has led to impressive ad revenue and lucrative sponsorship deals. Automated channel number 2, Meditation Tunes. Specializing in soothing meditation music, this channel has harnessed automation to create a calming and immersive audio experience for their audience. With a skilled team of composers, sound designers, and audio engineers, they're able to consistently release new tracks that help people relax, unwind, and de-stress. The channel's success has translated into substantial earnings from YouTube ads, sponsorships, and even sales of their original music tracks. Automated channel number 3, Life Hacks and DIY. Showcasing creative life hacks and DIY projects, this channel has turned the world of automation into a goldmine. By leveraging a team of ingenious thinkers, scriptwriters, voice actors, and video editors, they've managed to produce content that is both entertaining and educational. This channel has successfully monetized through YouTube ads, brand partnerships, and affiliate marketing, turning their automated approach into a thriving business. Automated channel number 4, Animated Educational Videos. Focused on creating engaging animated educational content, this channel breaks down complex topics into easily digestible bites for viewers of all ages. With a talented team of subject matter experts, animators, scriptwriters, and voiceover artists, they've managed to deliver consistently high-quality videos that inform and entertain. Their success has led to a substantial ad revenue and sponsorships, as well as opportunities to sell related educational products and services. YouTube automation has taken the platform by storm, and numerous channels have embraced this content creation model to great success. Starting your YouTube automation journey involves a few essential steps. Let's walk through them one at a time. Choose your niche. First and foremost, select a niche that you're passionate about or one that's currently in high demand. This will help keep you motivated and engaged while also appealing to a dedicated audience. Make sure to do some market research to pinpoint trending topics and areas with growth potential. Assemble your team. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to put together a skilled team of freelancers to bring your vision to life. You'll need experts in script writing, voiceovers, video editing, and graphics. To find professionals with the skills you're looking for, check out platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Establish a content schedule. Consistency is key for YouTube success. Create a content schedule that you can stick to, planning your video topics well in advance. This will ensure you always have a steady flow of content ready for release, helping you stay on top of your posting schedule and keeping your audience engaged. Set up a solid communication process. Effective communication is crucial when working with a remote team. Develop a system for sharing ideas, providing feedback, and tracking progress. Tools like Slack, Trello, and Asana can be instrumental in keeping your team organized and aligned with your vision, the key to success in YouTube automation. So, what's the secret sauce behind these successful automated channels? It all boils down to a few key factors: a clear content strategy, a skilled and reliable team, efficient delegation and communication, and a strong focus on quality and consistency. By mastering these elements, these channels have managed to harness the power of automation to create content that resonates with their audience and generates impressive revenue. Conclusion. There you have it. YouTube automation is revolutionizing the game, offering an incredible opportunity for creators to produce content and make money without being the face of their channel. If you're itching to start your own automated channel or just curious about this exciting trend, now's the perfect time to dive in. Share your thoughts on YouTube automation in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching, and catch you next time.